Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a hot topic that has been making waves in the health and wellness world for quite some time now, the paleo diet. For those of you who are unfamiliar with it, the paleo diet is a dietary plan that aims to mimic the diet of our ancient ancestors during the Paleolithic era. The idea is that by eating the same types of foods that our ancestors did, we can improve our health and well-being. The basic premise of the paleo diet is to eat whole, unprocessed foods like lean meats, fish, fruits, and vegetables while avoiding processed foods, dairy, grains, and legumes. Sounds pretty simple, right? But is it really that effective? Critics of the paleo diet argue that it's not sustainable in the long run because it eliminates entire food groups like grains and legumes that provide important nutrients. Additionally, some experts believe that the diet may be too high in saturated fat and protein, which could increase the risk of heart disease and other health problems. While there may be some validity to these criticisms, there are also some potential benefits to following a paleo diet. For example, eliminating processed foods and increasing your intake of fruits and vegetables can help reduce inflammation in the body, improve digestion, and support overall health and well-being. However, if you're interested in trying the paleo diet, there are some changes that I would suggest to make it a more balanced and sustainable approach to eating. Firstly, instead of completely eliminating grains and legumes, try to incorporate them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Whole grains and legumes provide important nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for good health. Secondly, it's important to be mindful of the types of fats you're consuming on a paleo diet. While sources of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and seeds are encouraged, it's important to limit your intake of saturated and trans fats from sources like red meat and processed meats. Finally, it's important to remember that everyone's nutritional needs are different. So while the paleo diet may work for some people, it may not be the best approach for everyone. In conclusion, the paleo diet is an interesting concept, but it's important to be aware of its potential drawbacks and limitations. By making some suggested changes and incorporating a variety of whole, unprocessed foods into your diet, you can support your health and well-being in a sustainable way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to see more videos like this one. We'll see you in the next video.